What's going on, guys? So we have here the 2023 S1000RR with the carbon package. I did a few things on it already, like these panels. I just felt that the carbon package that comes with this, then this part over there, was a little bit empty and missing those side panels. Pretty much stock. I have 100 and something miles on it. I'm gonna get the Brentuning, and I already have the headers waiting, titanium headers. Feel a little bit more agile than the 2020 that I used to have. And also I noticed that the cold start is a bit different now. It used to rev very high before, but now it's like going to a normal RPM and not loud at all, unfortunately. Let's give it a quick start. Now it's pretty quiet. I can't wait to see how it's gonna be sounded with first the brain tuning, then the headers. Thanks for watching, I'll keep you posted.